Hello and welcome back to Cabin Organic. Today I want to show you how I took an old faded umbrella and with a little bit of fabric paint made it look brand spanking new. Here's a few before shots of the umbrella. As you can see, time has taken its toll. It has been bleached by the sun and it is very faded. We had just finished staining and repairing the deck. I'll put a link to that project below. And everything was looking great, crisp and fresh, except for one thing, this sad old umbrella. The frame of the umbrella was still in excellent working condition, so I felt really bad about giving or throwing it away. So I decided to make this into a do-it-yourself project. I went to Canadian Tire, I bought 3 cans of red fabric paint and 1 can of a fabric waterproofing paint, and I got to work. It turned out I had to go back to Canadian Tire and get 3 more cans of red paint, but I finally got the entire umbrella saturated in red paint, and as you can see in this picture, I'm just on the last panel and the umbrella is looking brand spanking new. And here's Brian moving the umbrella back onto the deck. What a difference a few coats of paint makes. Instead of a faded old umbrella, this is now a bright red, cheerful, festive umbrella, really adding a punch of color to our newly refinished deck. And a final shot from the road. You can see how this freshly painted umbrella really stands out against the cabin. This project cost me about $70 in total. I bought 6 cans of the red fabric spray paint, it was quite a large sized umbrella, and 1 can of the waterproofing fabric spray paint as well. It was a quick project, it was easy, and I love the way it turned out. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy do-it-yourself project. Please like and subscribe for more videos by Cabin Organic.